hear that? But you was a bad influence.
Bad influence for me. Yeah, come.
I'm not
bad
gonna
influence
listen
for me.
to it.
This
I'm not
guy,
gonna listen to it.
we grew up together, but bad influence.
I'm not
He
gonna-
give me weed for the first time. Him.
Again, welcome back to my channel. So listen, I have a thing that I did. First and foremost, my name is Taz from the Taz Pro Media, a series called See the World Grenada, and I have many countries coming up after this, so please stay tuned. If it's your first time to this channel, please like, subscribe and comment. You understand? Help the channel to grow. Teamwork make the dream work. And let me put this out there, I'm not the one to say I write script, I don't write anything, I don't write any of my lines, I just speak as it is. You understand? That's how it is. However it come out, if it mess up, so be it. But anyway, I have some, you see this little hard drive here? See this? This is loaded with content. Trust me, this is 4 gig. What am I talking about 4 gig? So I tell you about, I don't write my lines. This is 4 terabytes of content storage. So, what we're gonna start now. One morning I get up and I decide, you know what? I wanted to, because I mean, I don't drink, apart from, I'm gonna be honest, I went here and for years I didn't have chocolate and stuff like that. Hot chocolate, them call it in the UK. But one of the things is, right, the way they make it in Grenada as a Caribbean, it reminds me of when I was in Jamaica. It's a different flavor. And I decided, you know what, let me just do it, because I'm only there for like 30 days. And we get up one morning and decide to say, you know what, I'm gonna hit the street, I'm gonna go back to my thing that I was doing here in the UK, which was doing the herbal tea for years. No milk, no nothing, no dairy product, no none of that. So I tried to eat and I tried to drink and I tried to consume healthy. So healthy was is my first and last name. So I'm trying to do what is right for this temple. Right? So watch me go out and try to get some nice herbal, some bush, go and try the people in fence and start tear off the bush off of them fence. But this is a good thing about being in the Caribbean. This is a good thing about being outside of these system. Because if you're in Africa, you can able to do it. Africa, them call it yin yin. In the Caribbean, we call it seriously. I don't know what them call it in Grenada, but seriously, I'm out.
Okay, this is what we like about Grenada. You don't have to go to the shop and go and buy tea and tea bags. You just come here and you just pick what you want.
Seriously.
And you just pick it and boil it.
Yeah, so your favorite tea bag, what you see in them little small bag, this is the actual plant. Correct. And this is much stronger. So for you all people who like to drink all type of, look how much seriously.
Look, this whole land here, look at it, look. Steaming with it. Yeah?
I think I'll use this for now. So they seriously have a plant. This normally go yellow. See green? Normally go big and they go yellow. This is good for you, seriously. I'm gonna boil this whole thing. Now.
The whole thing, right?
Yeah, look, see, there's a fruit.
Wow. Oh yeah. That's how I see it when it's like that.
Yeah, because this go
when
yellow.
They sell the Corella.
Yeah, it go yellow. It's not too close.
No, that was good.
Yeah.
Watch.
So it's like this plant here, this fruit here, go yellow. Understand? So this is the whole fence of this one thing.
And all the way back. And all the way back.
Look all the way down there.
Look, all the way back.
This is good stuff. Yeah. So this is good.
Good thing to drink, good thing to be the product fully proper already.
Yeah. Yeah, so put on my glasses, the sun kinda get hot. Yeah. So this is Surasy. My favorite. It's my favorite drink. I'll drink 3, 4, 5 cup of these a day.
Wow.
I don't do tea bag.
Well, you have plenty stock here.
Yeah. I'm trying to see. I thought it was a yellow thing there. It's not. But I'll come back one day when it's finished and I'll do another selection of my video. So now we have one of our finest Caribbean bantering. This is what I love about the Caribbean. There's a culture that we all share. It doesn't matter whether you're from Barbados, Grenada, Jamaica, Antigua, St. Lucia, Trinidad, Tobago, not Guatemala, but you know, you get to me drift. There's a banter that we share. Listen to this. Grandparents had more land than Kit Mitchell.
Yeah.
Huh?
Tell the camera.
I like that
Say
one.
what?
Grandparents had more land than Kit Mitchell.
had more land than Keith Mitchell. Keith Mitchell is the Prime Minister.
Okay.
When we
It's
get
true.
out of school, we're going for mango. We go up
Trevor,
there, man, we go for mango. We go looking for mango. In his
You know about the
grandparents'
5th time somebody who was on the hill up near the airport there, and his cousin was telling the very same thing he just said.
land. Yeah, the other land. Yeah, after school, we're going for mango.
Cause
Yeah.
Trevor was saying to him, the cousin, that you're the man with all the land and so you know, listen, they say Indian man have all the brains, you know. I ain't got no brain, you're Indian so you have all the brains. he said, how can I have brains? He said, they say Indian man have all the brains.
That guy, you still
Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you like these kind of content and you want more content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment, please. Grenada, see the world.
grandparents, so they wasn't as strict as my
Yeah,
parents.
yeah.
You know, so you had more privilege.
Look at more freedom, yeah.
Yeah, you smoking a sort of weed and
What?
Get out of here. You taking crack now.
This is the legendary.
yeah.
Hear that? But he was a bad influence. Sir.
Bad influence for me. Yeah, come.
I'm not
Bad
gonna
influence
listen
on me.
to- I'm
This
not gonna
guy,
listen to this.
we grew up together, but bad influence. He give me weed for the first time. Him. He give me weed, yeah, weed, ganja. Him.
I'm not going to listen to that.
I thought I was going to crazy, alright. Yeah, him.
This is what you call banter at its finest. This is what you call Caribbean banter. And I love this. I miss it. Even though sometimes it can get you in problem because it depends on who you are on joke with. Trust me, it might just drastically change. Watch this now.
Wow.
Yeah, smell this. This will have
Wow.
a stress.
Hey, I know this plant, you know.
Yeah, you know it.
From Jamaica, I know the plant.
Yeah.
But I don't know the name of it.
Strong scent.
Eh? This one. We need to find these things, man.
Yeah, you have a strong scent.
It-
Can't get there. Can't get there.
Yeah, that one over the top.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah,
hey,
have
my-
a strong scent. Good for tea.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You see it? I know. What's it? What you call this one?
This one is sugar dish.
Sugar dish.
Yeah.
Wow. I gotta mix them.
Yeah,
Sugar
yeah,
dish.
Mix them together. And
Yeah, man. I like the smell though. Sauce up.
yeah, so soap is give you a nice little cooling.
Yeah.
It's cooling.
I remember this. I remember this plant here.
Yeah, you see that bush there? You can add it too.
This bush.
That bush right in this.
That's more seasoning.
Alicia.
Okay.
It's say good for the cool.
Me, Alicia.
Okay.
All right, there. Yeah. It's strong and big time.
This thing I recognize. As soon as I smell it, I say yes. I know it.
You might call it different names.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
But you know what? Some of these bush, right? We see them as a child, and we never really.
never like it.
It never
When
had
the
no
parents and
importance.
them-
It's just bush.
Yeah, they had to put a little milk in it.
Yeah,
It's not just so.
yeah,
Yeah, lemongrass again.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a sweet grass. They call it sweet grass.
Yeah, man. I know lemongrass. We have
Yeah,
some on the
yeah,
land.
yeah.
We put some on the land.
Yeah.
What you see this in Ghana? Yeah.
Yeah, you have that over there?
We need to get some of this, man.
You know we got a different color as well.
Is it?
Yeah, those are good herbs. And you know, as a kid, we used to suck this.
Yeah.
This
Can I go yellow? Yeah, go yellow and with the red inside. The seed red. The seed red.
The fruit is bitter,
Yeah.
but the
seed.
seed is sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
So normally we squeeze it and eat it.
The people just cook it,
No,
Trevor.
same thing he was saying to me the other day.
And people used to cook.
Yeah, that's cool. But he was saying to me the same thing the other day. He said in Jamaica they do the same thing.
Yeah, it's just different. They call it different name.
It's
But
the
it's the same thing.
They call
you-
it sorcy.
Yeah, same
Jamaica.
different
Cause
name.
you, all right, look, you see the fruit, yeah? See the fruit that come on, normally is this, that come on this thing, yeah? You see this?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
a little
yeah,
ball.
yeah, yeah,
they get
yeah.
bigger and squeeze them, squash them.
Yeah.
I know this tree, man.
We call it different name, but it's the same thing.
Right.
thing, same thing.
I'm happy you actually point this out because I know the smell.
Yeah,
Definitely know the
remember
smell.
that smell. It's
100
strong.
Yeah, man, I 100%
scent.
know the smell.
Strong smell.
Yeah. So, I have some herbs here that I'm going to mix and put in my pot and drink. Herbs is the healing of the nation. You understand?